Let's meet the colors and see their magic. Are you ready? Here we go. I am red, watch me go. I hit the teddy, and now it's aglow. I am yellow, so bright. I touch the fish, and it shines with delight. Colors all around. Watch them change things that we found. Red, yellow, blue, and green. Magic colors, such a scene. I am blue, look at me. I touch the dog, it's as blue as can be. I am green, can you see? I turn the parrot green, just like me. Colors all around. Watch them change things that we found. Orange, pink, brown, and purple too. Magic colors just for you. I am orange, here I come. I hit the squirrel, and it's orange fun. I am pink, soft and sweet. I touch the swan, now it's pink and neat. I am brown, watch me go. I touch the rat, and it puts on a show. I am purple, one last trick. I hit the duck, and it's purple so quick. Colors, what a sight. Changing the world, let's go. Red, yellow, blue, and green. Orange, pink, brown, it's a dream. Wow! Did you see how the colors change everything? What's your favorite color? Let's play it then soon. Let's learn about our body, a lot fun. Point to the parts, one by one. From head to toes, it's time to play. Sing along with me today. This is my head, I tap, tap, tap. These are my eyes, blink, blink like that. This is my nose, it can sniff all day. And here's my mouth, where I smile and say, let's learn about our body, oh what fun. Point to the parts, one by one. From head to toes, it's time to play. Sing along with me today. These are my arms, I wave them high. These are my hands, clap, clap, oh my. These are my knees, they bend and bow. And here are my feet, they wiggle now. Let's learn about our body, oh what fun. Point to the parts, one by one. From head to toes, it's time to play. Sing along with me today. My ears can hear, they're on my side. My shoulders shrug, they're big and wide. My tummy's here, it growls, you see. Now give a hug and sing with me. We've learned about our body, wasn't it great? From head to toes, it's worth the wait. Let's sing again and learn some more. Body parts are fun to explore.
Hi everyone, welcome to another fun adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Let's get started.
Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Square. S Q U A R E square.
Rectangle. R E C T A N G L E rectangle. Arrow. A R R O W arrow. Star. S T A R star. Diamond. D I A M O N D diamond. Heart. H E A R T heart.
Thank you for watching. If you loved this video, click to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure.
One day, a little lamb was eating some tasty grass away from her friends. She didn't see the big, scary wolf sneaking up on her. When she finally noticed the wolf, she got scared and said, "Please don't eat me yet. My tummy is full of grass, so my meat isn't tasty right now. If you wait, the grass will be digested, and I will taste better." The wolf thought about it and agreed. Then the lamb had a clever idea. She said, "If you want, I can dance, and I'll taste even better. Could you help me by ringing my bell really loudly while I dance?" The wolf liked the idea and started ringing the bell as hard as he could. The shepherd heard the loud ringing and he think, "Oh no, my little lamb is in trouble. I must hurry." Then quickly came running to rescue the lamb. The lamb was saved and the wolf ran away, tricked by the smart little lamb. This story shows that you, sometimes being smart and thinking quickly, can save you from trouble.
This is the letter A.
A
Apple. A for apple. Remember, A is for apple. Apple grows on trees, full of tasty apples. This is the letter B. B.
B B B B
B is for baby.
B B B
B is for baby. A cute, happy baby. Babies make us smile and feel loved. Remember, B is for baby. This is the letter C.
C C cat.
Cat. C is for cat. C for cat. Cats are soft and love to stay clean. Remember, C is for cat. This is the letter D.
D dog. D D D dog.
D is for dog. Dog. D for dog. A happy dog. D. Dogs love to walk and play outside. Remember, D is for dog. This is the letter E. E.
E
E.
E E E elephant.
E for elephant is for elephant. E for elephant. E. Two little elephants. Elephants play in the mud. Remember, E is for elephant. This is the letter F. F. F.
F fish.
F for fish is for fish for fish. F for fish. Colorful fish. Fish swim happily in the tank. Remember, F is for fish. This is the letter G. G.
G G G G
Goat. G for goat. A cute goat. G for goat is for goat. G, goat. Love to climb up to find food. Remember, G is for goat. Hey, this is the letter H.
H H H
H for helicopter. H is for helicopter. H for helicopter. H. The helicopter, watch it take off. Helicopters fly high in the sky. Remember, H is for helicopter. This is the letter I.
Ice cream.
I is for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Filling the cone. Ice cream is cold and sweet. Remember, I is for ice cream. This is the letter J. J
J.
for jelly. J for jelly.
J.
J for jelly. Wobbly and sweet. Jelly shakes and moves when you cut it. Remember, J is for jelly. This is the letter K. K.
K.
K for key. K for key. We use a key to open the door. When we go out, we use the key to lock the door. Remember, K is for key.
This is the letter L. L. L for lion. Lion is for lion. L for lion. Lion. The lion big, strong. Lions like to sit and look around. Remember, L is for lion. This is the letter M. Is for monkey.
Monkey.
For monkey. M, monkey. M for monkey. The monkey eating fruit under the tree. Monkeys love to eat fruit. Remember, M is for monkey. This is the letter N. N, nest. N, nest is for nest. N for nest. The nest is made by a bird. Weaver birds build nests to stay safe. Remember, N is for nest. This is the letter O. O for orange. Is for orange. Orange. O. It is a round, juicy fruit. Oranges are sweet and good for you. Remember, O is for orange. This is the letter P. 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 P for parrot. P. Parrot. Is for parrot. P. It's a green parrot sitting on a tree branch looking here and there. Parrots are colourful and can even talk. Remember, P is for parrot. This is the letter Q. 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 Queen. Q for queen. Queen. Q. A little girl wearing a crown like a queen. Queens are special and wear crowns. Remember, Q is for queen. This is the letter
R.
Rose. Roses have soft petals and a sweet smell. Is for rose. R for rose. R. A red rose blooming, so beautiful. Remember,
R.
is for rose. This is the letter S. 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 Star. S for star. S. S. Star. Imagine flying through the stars at night. Bright stars shining in the sky like tiny lights. Remember, S is for star. This is the letter T. T. Is for tree. T for tree. Tree. Is for tree. T. Look, the tree is moving here and there in the wind. Trees give us shade and help us breathe. Remember, T is for tree. This is the letter U. U. Umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry when it rains. Umbrella. U for umbrella. They come in so many colors and look at all the colorful umbrellas hanging up high. Remember, U is for umbrella. This is the letter V. V. Volcano. V is for volcano. Look, the volcano is bursting with fire and smoke. V for volcano. Volcanoes are powerful mountains that can erupt. Remember, V is for volcano. This is the letter W. W. Watermelon. W for watermelon. Watermelons are sweet and full of juice. W for watermelon. Look, two kids holding a big juicy watermelon. Remember, W is for watermelon. This is the letter X. X. Xylophone is for xylophone. X, listen to the xylophone play its happy sounds. X for xylophone. It has colourful bars that make music when you tap them. Remember, X is for xylophone. This is the letter Y. Y. Yacht is for yacht. Y for yacht. Y. For yacht. The yacht is sailing on the sea. Yachts glide smoothly over the water. Remember, Y is for yacht.
This is the letter Z. Z. Zebra. Z. Zebras love to graze on the open ground. Z is for zebra. Look at the zebra with black and white stripes, eating grass. Remember, Z is for zebra.